Welcome back to EBC's Ultimate Fiesta build. This is episode 11. We're down here at Castle Combe today for a shakedown of the car. We've got some special guests here with us today, and we've got some other cars here to pitch it against, so let's get to it and see how we get on. Right, so we're down here at Combe today. As you can tell from the intro, we were trying to do a little bit of a shakedown. The car was a little bit lift off oversteery, but that's only expected with the weight. The car does feel great actually. We're running on the PS4 tyres and it's gripping up, it's alright, and it's obviously not the best conditions here at all. I haven't driven Combe for a long time, but we're getting there, and it is good. The suspension feels spot on, and honestly I'm astounded. I'm astounded at how it feels and how it's coping. We are starting to get a bit of a dry line slowly, so I'm sure Jake will be able to do something good with this car. But for me it's just a little bit of a shakedown. Brakes feel good. We are running yellow stuff at the moment. Doing well. Doing well. The suspension is just amazing. I'm just thoroughly amazed with it. This car is performing. And I'm not a professional, so we'll get an opinion from Jake. It's nice, it's starting to dry out, we can give it a bit of a workout, really starting to let it stretch its legs a bit. So, I'm going to bring it in now. We're going to let some other people drive the car today and see how they feel. I'm honestly astounded and absolutely gobsmacked by how this little car is performing. Thoroughly amazed. So I've just got in from a little shakedown with the car. I was absolutely blown away with how good it really is. The suspension feels great, the power is obviously there, and the brakes are amazing. So all in all, the package as a whole is just amazing, and it absolutely blew my mind. We've got Jake Hill here with us today. We've got Sparkplug Steve, as some of you may know or you may not know, but keep an eye out on his channel and our channel for videos released soon with both of them.